Okay guys, welcome to another video where we're going to replace this one, the Acer Bis, which is already aftermarket compared to original, with a very sturdy one from RadeGarage. It's quite a big unit. It looks nice on the selling pictures of the website of RadeGarage. So I will show you a picture now. Yeah, let's see how this looks on the bike. Pocket for tools. We took the bike off-road last weekend. Nice. So this bike was brand new. And we took it for a proper ride into the dirt. And the bike is still 150 kilometers old. New and used. Look at the nice suspension.
New bike, 100 kilometers.
You have this smaller bracket that goes on the back. You need to use the brackets from the foot packs, behind the foot packs. This one, the large one, will be mounted like this on the skid plate. We had to look it up on the YouTube of RadeGarage. It is nice that they have videos available, but these brackets, we need to get rid of those. These two on the outside. And also good to know that this skid plate is 4.2 kilogram. Okay, remove the side panel, pull that one all the way to that side, and have your other pair of hands remove the bolts. Upper bracket is tied to your engine with 2 bolts, but it's also to the frame. The impact area is to the frame and stability to your engine. Here you can see the bracket. This piece to your engine and that to the frame. One gear. Here you can see how to reach it. You have to pull that one to the side and then, I don't know, do something. Our recommendation is use the original ones at this piece, because the new ones from RadeGarage are a bit long, and if necessary this one does not line out very well. Have these on both sides a little bit less tight, and then you can line this one out. And here we have the RadeGarage foot packs, and they were amazing. And I have this RadeGarage kit on my KTM, and the levers as well, which we also placed on this bike. Nice. And since you've made it this far into the video and I want to keep my KTM running, please use my personal discount code from RadeGarage, and yeah, help a KTM rider out, because it's here for 5 weeks already. It's not leaving the shop, please. And this bracket goes behind the foot packs.
Don't fully tight the ball.
Ja, ze moeten er zo in, lijkt wel.
Ja, maar ik kan ook niet omhoog.
We need to drill these holes a little bit bigger, because it's all very tight. Okay, en dan achter.
Ja, achter.
So yeah, it does fit, but it requires a little bit of work. And as you can see here, we drill the holes, because the bracket underneath, which is mounted, what we showed earlier, is a little bit bent. So they do not line out very well with the bolts you put in there. And there go 3 of these at the back side. Okay, the skid plate is on. Now let's see how it looks when it's on the ground, because on the bridge it's always a different look. But what we can tell is it's very robust. Robust? It will not break down. Oh yeah. We may have an issue that our boot will reach the bottom of the skid plate. Always do a boot test. No issue? I don't think so. And this is how it looks when you're above the bike. So it's still quite narrow. And you have an option to the toolbox only. Let me show you. Jarno can show it. Jarno, can you try to reach the toolbox? And you are in the middle of a desert. Your exhaust is very hot. And your engine is hot. Probably your skid plate as well. So that's one. You have these flat nuts. These nuts. The other one. Okay, yeah, we are able to reach.
This one is okay.
The right side. It's quite big as well. Now
Much the same, but
onto the left side.
oh.
Okay. You can reach it, and we have the plate out, but do mind that the bike is probably very hot when doing this. So now we are going to try to put it back.
Oh, this one doesn't go in.
One eternity later.
3 weeks later.
Jarno can't get it in, so he's trying to loosen the front to see if that helps. Okay, if you take a 13 with you on your adventures, you can you can get everything out. Well, let's show the size of this. What can we fit in? So we have this spray can. So let's say one can of Monster. You see the other side as well, it's quite big. Can we bring tubes with us?
Pair tubes, 18, 21.
Pair of tube, 18 and 21. So you need to leave your Monster at home. Okay. So yes, this is perfect for tools that you might need when you stranded with a flat. Then this is perfect. But if you want to bring your can of Monster with you to grab it quickly, yeah, I would use it for this kind of things, not your can of Monster. I'm not trying to be negative, but more like critical to see what's possible with this and if you are interested in it. But to bring tubes with you on a long trip, yeah, it's perfect. And the toolbox is like this distance from your exhaust headers, so what you put in there will be cooked. It will be hot, same as the bike, it will be nice and hot. Now the ultimate test, get it off the bridge. Ik vind het best wel dik. It's maybe a bit too much, but it's also nice or something. Let me give you all the angles. You hardly see it from here. Nice, go chillen. Chilling on the highway.
Highway best.
And the other side. Well, I think it looks very nice. And it takes away the nice slim design of the MT, but it brings lots and lots of protection. Alright guys, let me know what you think of it. It's nice, it's very sturdy, it can be black, that's maybe better in this setup, but yeah, we're gonna test it and see how it performs. It's 4.2 kilogram in total. It's a little bit more than what was on the bike. The protection is like 1000% better. So let me know what you think of it in the comments and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you. I think it would be better if it was black.